What is the best way to earn money using AI as a beginner? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the AI tools which you can actually use to actually earn real money online by performing some simple tasks online, and I'm going to be sharing with you how those particular AI actually works. As a complete beginner, you can actually use this particular AI which I'm about to share with you to actually earn real money online. And if you come to Fiverr right now, if you come to fiverr.com right here, you'll be able to see that some people are actually selling this particular services on Fiverr. If you come right here, you'll be able to see that this particular person is selling this particular service for about $50. You can see I will create short video ads for Facebook, Instagram, e-commerce. Okay, I'm going to be sharing with you how you'll be able to create this particular e-commerce ad, Facebook ad, using just AI tools. And if you come right here, you see that this particular person is offering this service for $35. This particular person is offering this service for $5, and this particular person is offering this service for $60. And if you come right here, you will see that this particular person is offering this service for over $1,500. Wow. And you will see I will make professional Amazon, Instagram, or e-commerce video ads. Let me share with you how you actually be able to actually create the Amazon or Instagram or e-commerce video ads for free using AI. And you can also start offering this service to e-commerce business owners online. Okay, all you just need to do is to come to this website known as labs.google. Once you come to this particular website, the name of this particular AI is known as Flow. Okay, but you can actually access this AI by going to labs.google. This is actually a new AI tools. Once you come to this section, click on this create with Flow. Once you click on create with Flow, it will take you to another interface where you join to click on create with Flow again. Once you click on it, you join to allow it to load. Immediately after loading, the next you need to do right now is to actually click on new project. Once you click on new project, it will take you to another interface where you join to go on right now and set it up. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to click on this section right now. Once you click on this section, the first option is text to video. In this section, you will actually be able to use any text to like write a prompt and convert the text into a video with the help of this particular AI tools. The second one is frames to video, which means pictures or images to video. This will actually help you to actually convert different images into videos. Okay, and in this ingredient, this is the most important section which you need to pay very close attention to. If you click on this green ingredient right now, I will share with you how it actually works, and I actually enjoy using this particular AI tools to actually create some video ads. Okay, you can see if you click on this section right now, select this. Okay, let's go on right now and click on this landscape. If you can use either portrait or landscape. Okay, let me use landscape. Okay, output per prompt, the result which you want AI to actually bring for you. Do you want two results or you want one result at a time? Okay, I will go on right now and choose just one result. Okay, after choosing one result, I'll scroll down right now. Once I scroll down right now to this section right now, this is where I'm going to be bringing out the product image. Okay, let's take for instance that you are actually designing for a business owner. The business owner will actually send you the product image. You can go on right now and enter the product image right here. Okay, go on right now and select the product image. Okay, I actually selected image of this particular person right now. I click on crop and save. Before I will bring out this product image which I'm going to be making use of sunglass. Okay, let me go on right now and select sunglass and click on upload. Okay, this is the sunglass which I want to use. I want to make use of this sunglass. I choose it. This is the sunglass which I want to use. Okay, let me click on landscape. This is the sunglass which I want to make use of. Okay, I click on save right now. I want to make use of the sunglass. Okay, I don't need to allow it to load. It is actually loading right now. You can see it right there, and immediately after loading, you can see this is the two images right now. Okay, the next thing I need to do is to actually enter prompt. Okay, what do I want how do I want this particular art to actually look like? Okay, you can see generate video of the guy wearing the face glass and showing it on a camera. Okay, I don't need to go on right now and enter this prompt right now. Once I enter the prompt, you can see that the art is actually generating right now. The video is actually generating right now, and this particular video, the result will actually wow you. And wow, our video is actually ready right now. Let's actually click right here to actually play our video. Okay, you can see, watch closely guys. You can see You can see, and this AI actually converted it into just a video. You can see it is actually very easy, and you can actually offer this service on Fiverr to business owners that actually need this particular service right there. You can see very neat, very clean. You just need to go on right now and actually download your video. You can see download it in any size of your choice. You can see I've actually downloaded my video. Okay, this is actually very easy and one of the easiest way to actually earn money using AI as a complete beginner. And you can actually go on and register on Fiverr and start offering this particular service for as low as $5 online. Okay, right now let's go to the second AI tools which can help you to actually earn money online as a complete beginner. Let me share with you how this AI actually work. Okay, if you come to Google right now and search for Google AI Studio, click on it. Click on the first one. You can see Google AI Studio. Once you click on it, you'll be able to, it will take you to this particular section right now. Once it take you to this section, click on this section right now. Once you click on this section, click on start. Once you click on start, it will take you to this section, build your idea with Gemini. Okay, this is where it will take you to. Okay, all you just need to do right now is to actually enter a prompt. Okay, to actually build a product. You are actually building an app that will actually help you to, or help a business owner to actually build just a simple art, a simple video arts. Okay, all you just need to do right now is to actually enter a prompt right here. Let me enter my prompt right now. Once, create an app where user can upload a product image and get AI generated product description optimized for e-commerce, include option for tone and length, make the interface clean and easy to use. You can see this will actually help you to generate a product description with the help of this app which I'm about to create right now. And it is an AI that will create this particular app, and you can actually sell this particular app to business owners, to e-commerce owners, or start offering the service on Fiverr to business owners. All you don't need to do right now is to actually click on this section right now and click on build. Once you click on build, in less than 1 minute, this AI known as Google Gemini will actually build this particular app for you. Can see. And if you click on this code assistant right now, once you click on this code assistant, pay very close attention, you'll be able to see that this AI is actually coding the application for us right now. You don't necessarily know how to code. You don't even need to be a tech guru for you to be able to build this particular application using just AI. Okay, you can see our application is being coded by AI. You can see it right there. You can see, and we just need to wait. You can see in less than 29 seconds right now, our application will be ready, and we can actually start using it to actually offer services online and be able to make money. Our application is finally ready right now. You can see AI product descript. Generator, upload a product image and instantly create compelling e-commerce description tailored to your brand. You can see it will actually help us to actually create a description for each of our products. Very easy. Okay, all we just need to do right now is to actually go on right now, click on this, click to upload or drag and drop. Once you click on this section right now, you'll be able to, okay, let's upload a sunglass. Let's upload the image of this sunglass right now, and scroll down right now, choose if you want medium. After it is set up, click on generate description. Once you click on generate description, you just need to actually allow it to load. It is actually loading right now. We actually build this particular application right now, and we are actually testing the application to actually see how it works. Okay, you can see this is the we only uploaded this particular image right there, and it actually give us description for this image. You can see this is the description. You can see your daily style and product. You can see this is the description of this. It will actually help us to actually generate an SEO description or a proper description of that particular image. Or for instance, you are selling this particular cap right now. All you need to do is to take a photo of this particular cap, upload it on this app. Once you upload it on this app will actually generate a full description the way you actually want it. You just need to copy the description, upload your image, and put the description there for people to actually read the description. If they want to make the purchase, they can buy it just like the way you used to see it on Amazon and other e-commerce websites. It is actually very easy, and you can start offering this service on Fiverr or on any other freelance platform. Okay, and you'll be able to see that it is actually very easy. You can see it right there, and anybody can easily build this particular application using this particular method which I just share with you right now. If you find this video helpful, make sure you actually like this video video and actually subscribe to this channel so that I'll be glad to share more updates like this with you again. What do you think about this particular AI, or what do you think, or do you have any question based on what I just shared with you right now? Kindly tell me in the comment section of this video, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video.